Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Anissa Octaviani. Here I will tell you about some book which I have read as my assignment in intensive reading. I have read the book by title Frankenstein. This book written by Mary Wollstonecraft Shelley. And year of publication is first published at November 2009. Number of page 81 page, and English Reader Series published by Keisan Blank, Consent and simplified by Sugang Blank. And the strength of this book is the imagination in this book that the author wrote make the reader even more curious about the ending of the Frankenstein story. And the image also is helping reader to understand more, understand this story. And the weakness of the book is because this book is simplification of the novel, then reader less satisfied with the story, because very much story too short in this book. And reading method which I have used in this story is I use skimming method, because I reading selectively to get a general idea of the text about. Then so in this book also there are 24 chapters, and before enter to the chapters I will tell you the people in the story. For first actor in this story is Victor Frankenstein. Victor Frankenstein, he is a scientist who learns how to create life and creates a being in the likeness of man, but larger than average and more powerful than human. And in these books also there are other people like Alphonse Frankenstein. He is as Victor's father, and William Frankenstein as Victor's brother, and Elizabeth, Victor's wife, Justin as family mate, and Henry Clerval as Victor's best friend. And after this, in this story also there is 4 letters which written by Victor for his sister, his lovely sister. After 4 letters he has write in the story, we enter to the first chapter. In the first chapter here to tell about Elizabeth Lavenza. Elizabeth Lavenza is she is a woman which brought his mother to his house as a gift for him. And Elizabeth Lavenza also he is so nearly with Victor Frankenstein. After that, in the second chapter, still tell about Victor and also Elizabeth. In this chapter, it's beginning the curious in Victor's mind about some knowledge, because he is read some books written by Agrippa that he got from the tenant when he went to that country. And he is also so curious about the electric power generated by the Halilintar destroying trees unnaturally. Then, because he is very curious about the electric how that Halilintar or the thunder can broke the trees, and He is also curious about how the human can live. Then he is open his mind to look for the knowledge. And for the third chapter in this story is University Ingolstadt. Nah, University Ingolstadt is the university that he was studied, and in this university he met with very much professor, and one of the professors, his name Wildman. Wildman, he explained to the Victor about the science of the modern chemistry, which have made Victor curious about the knowledge described. Then, because Victor very curious, very embittered with that knowledge, he is to approach the professor to get the knowledge about scientists of modern chemistry. And in the fourth chapter is giving animation even the liveness matter. In this chapter, it's begin to for Victor to curious about the origin of life, how is human can live, and how the and also he curious about the composition of the human body and all animate creatures, and why the person who looks beautiful at first decays when he is not alive, when the human still alive, she is looks so beautiful, but why when he passes away, his body can broke by the time. And the fifth chapter is the miserable monster. Miserable monster is some creature which he makes for which he might begin his action by putting what was in his mind. Then he is begin to collect the lifeless creature, and he experiment that all lifeless creature to get some human, and this experiment was successful, and the monster he made a similar as human can live. And when the monster opened his eyes, he is so shocked. Because he is shocked with his creature. In the sixth chapter is a letter from Elizabeth. He is Victor. Get the letter from Elizabeth, which Elizabeth interested to someone who went to ignorant, and the letter tells about her condition. And in the seventh chapter of this book, it tells that William is murdered. In a letter which written by his father, that in that letter to tell about the William as his brother, as Victor brother was passed away cause murdered. William not come to home until nightfall, and finally in the morning they found William lying among the grass with the murderous fingerprint on his neck, and Elizabeth blamed herself for killing William. And in 8th chapter is Justin died on the scaffold as murderers. Elizabeth and Victor, they looking for who is a person or who is human who killed his sister, his brother, and one of suspect here is Justin, and Justin also has confessed that he had killed William. Then Justin was punished and died on the gallows. So in the 9th, the Victor left his home to look for the new season or to look for the new atmosphere for his life. And the chapter and the next chapter it's about the journey, Victor's journey. And the chapter from 11 to the 15, it's about Victor's journey to look for his life. So in the 16 chapters, the monster that was created by Victor Frankenstein come alive and roamed in the forest. One time, the monster saw a girl fall from to the water, and he helped that girl to the and he helped the child to bring to beach. And when this child realized, the confessed that he was son of Victor Frankenstein, and finally these girls become a victim of or captive of the monster to avenge her on Victor Frankenstein. And in 17 chapter, a female monster is because the monster is asking to the Frankenstein to create the female monster, but the Frankenstein he doesn't create the female monster. So after that, in the 18 chapters, Victor's visiting England, and he meet with Elizabeth. So in the 19th chapter, it's still about that Victor fulfill his promise to his friend, and in 20 chapter that Victor broke his promise that he broke his promise that he is so regret to create some monster. And in 21st, Harry Craveler is murdered. The friend was murdered, and after that, the wedding day, he is wedding with his lovely person. And in 23rd is Elizabeth murdered. In the next day, the monster come and checked Elizabeth's neck, and Victor saw the shadow of the monster smiling mockingly at Victor. And the news of Elizabeth's death shocked Victor's father, and finally he was died because he's so surprised to hear the information about Elizabeth passed away. And the last chapters is about Victor dies and the monster burned itself to death because the Victor is died and the monster he is burned himself uh, to help him for. And summary from this book is because of very deep curiosity about how the creation of Victorian man uses all means to make creature like human, where his creator destroy him and his family. From this story, we can take a lesson that the best possible creator is only Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Thanks for your attention. And last I say you, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.